Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to deposit in Scatter using GCash. So let's start. So first you have to download the GCash app and go to Google Play Store or App Store and download the GCash app. Register. Sign up by entering your mobile phone number and following the prompts to create your account. Then you have to verify your account to complete the verification process by submitting the required documents. And then add funds, deposit money into your GCash account using your preferred method such bank transfer or over the counter deposit. So choose casino that offers Scatter games. You can select casinos that offer you this and then select your game, read the game description to understand the Scatter symbols, work in a specific game, pay table, check the pay table for tails, how many Scatter symbols you need to trigger bonus for spins. Then you have to place your bet, spin the reels, and trigger bonuses. In that way, you can start using the Scatter casino on your GCash account and also deposit there if you have the amount or funds on your GCash. Well, it's that way to start playing the game. So guys, I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and don't forget to give us a thumbs up to this video.